Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is March 9th morning when I'm recording this, and just want to make sure everybody out there sees this, that I have a market update webinar from last week called Bullish or Bearish, because this is the most debated and hotly contested market condition right now. And you know what? The market's sideways, so no wonder why there's a lot of contention out there. Anyway, it's chock full of information. It's not a sales pitch. We do have a sweetener at the end of it, but there's just a lot of information here that I actually put out there to teach you, educate you, and bring you guys up to speed for what I'm thinking and what I'm seeing out there. I've spent a lot of months collecting a lot of information, and I thought you guys would like to see it. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you go over to Simpler Trading's YouTube channel and search me, or you can search 2023 Bull Bear Market. All right, so some of the things that I'm looking at, keep in mind that the market is sitting on the monthly 10, and we are sitting on a couple moving averages on the weekly time frame. So, just be careful on the short side. I know it's still challenging. It's still a little bit weak out there, but as an overall situation, just be a little bit careful out there on that side. Some other things that I want to show you, if we look at the higher time frames, look at KWeb. This is the Chinese internet. How's that weekly chart look? Not too bad, huh? How about the monthly chart? Well, same thing. It's kind of over that moving average, whereas before, it's been below and rejected by this moving average. The other interesting, I think, is just the amount of volume that has been coming into this. So I do find that very interesting. And then we can also look at some other ETFs. Now, I know that these are not very big ETFs, and they may not really be very representative of what's going on out there, but it is another little view, another little insight into what I see out there. And I find it interesting the volume was at the lows last time, and even a big move to the upside right there. And we're seeing a lot of volume now. The other thing we're looking at is, does this ETF look like it wants to go lower? I don't think so. It's definitely been going sideways for quite some time. Now, remember, not going down doesn't mean that it has to be a very strong bullish up. You can see here clearly it's been basing for a long time. So all I'm trying to say is maybe the worst is behind us. So we have that one. There's another one, want, kind of similar areas. You can see here, where was their big volume? Right at the bottom. Where is their big volume? Well, maybe at the bottom. So again, this thing looks like it maybe doesn't want to go lower, but that doesn't mean it has to scream and rip roar higher. But things don't want to go lower. Where else does it go? It can go sideways, maybe even up. Now here's a very interesting one. SOXL. This is the leveraged ETF for the semiconductors. And do you guys, first of all, that drew in there, do you see the inverted head and shoulders? Do you also see, again, with the volume situation? For now, this volume spike totally called the low of the SOXL. So just another little indication of something to kind of be watching out there. And you know what? Once again, this one is over that moving average on the monthly chart. And the weekly chart doesn't look too bad. So keep this in the back of your mind. And, just kind of be prepared for where the market might be taking us and see what you can do. And again, if you guys are looking for more information about why I'm thinking all this, go here and check out my webinar. And as I said, it's chock full of information, and I think you guys will enjoy it. All right, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.